Impromptu. I'm gonna order from Paddington's a fried egg sandwich, bacon and cheese, lightly toasted ham brown bread. It's always a good. Can't screw that up. Well, not that they screwed up. It was too messy. Come on, okay, so. All right, let's go. Oh, there's a lineup. Oh, great. Okay, let's hope it's not chicken. So let's go give them a shot. Can I get a fried egg, bacon and cheese sandwich on brown, lightly toasted? That would be awesome. And that caught my eye. Oh my gosh. What is that? Lemon?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that. So these are, so it's Portuguese bolas? Is that one? Look at that. Aren't they cute? And the traditional Polish custard tart. Oh my god, it'll be a messy one. Wow.
Anything on it?
Tomato, onion.
Onions? Do you need any sauce on it?
No sauce.
Do you want a bag today?
Yes, please.
Do you want anything on the sandwich?
No, just raw butter. That's fine. It's okay, don't worry. No, just cut it.
Do you need a bag?
Just in the white wrap. That's fine. I'm eating it. Thank you. Okay, I'm inside St. Lawrence Market again. My new series for Out and About with yours truly, Liz of C. Table chat, I think it's called, at St. Lawrence Market. We'll see if anyone's going to join me. But I got this at Paddington's restaurant. Their fried egg, cheese and bacon on brown, lightly toasted. It's a winner. Look at all that bacon, 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 bacon. Delish. It's good. Want to buy? Yum, yum, yum. Never fails. It's always good. Bacon, bacon, bacon. The other half. Who wants a bite? Oh my god, look at what we have. Okay, here's their Portuguese donut. I think it's Bolas. Portuguese donut. It's lemon. And again, I got it at Paddington. It looks delish. Look at that. So cute. You're living in Ottawa? Okay, cool. You're visiting.
Yes. My first time here.
Oh, very good. Welcome.
Oh, you want to see it?
Are you just here for the day?
No, we're actually we came on Wednesday.
Wednesday
And we're
night.
leaving tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, you're leaving tomorrow. I see. If you can leave, because there's a big snowstorm, right?
Yeah.
If you can leave.
Oh God. And it's very severe.
Yeah. But Ottawa get it bad too.
Just before we head out.
Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, ma'am. Take your bite. I love lemon.